There was Sion James, Aber Town, goal-scoring hero for today's match. Disappointing first half, but we got the win in the end.
Yeah, it was disappointing first half. The week break probably took its toll on us really, and we didn't start off well at all. But second half performance was much better. So still worrying first half, but we'll go training and we train hard and we'll work on things that we didn't do so well, and we'll go again.
Said for the first half, 2-0 down at half time. Could have very easily been 3-0 with that chance then.
Yes, Mike made a great save, I think it was it? And my fault for the penalty, but no, it wasn't good. The conditions weren't good either, but second half again, like I said, much better.
Then 3 goals in 5 minutes in the second half. Must be delighted to get on the score sheet yourself.
It was. It doesn't happen often. I think it's my second maybe in like 300 games, but it's nice. It's real made my weekend anyway.
You showed that with the celebrations. Everyone jumped on top of you. Thought you were injured straight after that.
Yeah, I think everyone's in shock really. I think that's what it was, and people were still laughing a couple of minutes after. It doesn't happen often, like I said, but a really special moment. Nice.
So now that's a win, to keep a club in second place. How important is it to cement the second place now?
It's important. We set our targets before the game today where we want to be, and that's a good start to where we want to finish the season. There's a good squad in there, and we've got potential to finish second. You know, TNS are going to run away with it, which they should, but we've got more confidence that we can finish second in the league.
You may win goal of the season for your goal, but Ross Stevens might be a close contender.
I was right behind it, and from the moment he hit it, it was flying in. Great strike, brilliant goal. He's done well. Ross, he started. He's a good player, Ross. He knows the league, and he'd be a good signing for us.
So what do you think Ross Stevens brings to the team?
He's good. He's got technically wise. He's brilliant. He's got a left foot. He can put the ball wherever he wants. And today, usually he plays on the wing, but he did a job for us today in midfield, and I thought he was brilliant.
So next week, Holywell in the cup.
Yeah, not going to be easy. I think they're unbeaten all season, so it's going to be a very tough game up there. But like I say, we've got a good squad here and we're full of confidence.
Husey said that they have a good, strong local crowd. So how important is the crowd when you're fighting against the bigger boys?
Yeah, you know, obviously it's a big day for them, and everyone will be there for them. But we'll be professional about it, and we'll go out there and give our best, and hopefully come away with a win.